Got the Vallejo Game Color Wash. So if you're looking to up the blending and the styling and the contrast of your miniatures, this is what you need. So it says here we have the yellow flesh, red, violet, blue, umber. That's one of my favorite. Sepia, which this is another one of my favorite. It has an orangish hue to it though, so it depends kind of what you're going for as far as your tonality. And black, which is one of my least favorite. So in Vallejo fashion, they give you these high-speed little ingredients on how to use all of them, which I use all of these. My miniatures turn out really nice, but it tells you exactly what type of flesh tone that you're going for, and then what it should look like and how to apply it. So, but if you already know, well, it talks about the tonality of it, like the depth, how you're supposed to layer everything on, where the highs and lows are, what percentage you're doing, because you're building up layers with the acrylics. It's pretty actually extensive, and every one of their kits has these, and I really enjoy them. And then obviously on the back side, it's going to have more of the colors, so you have an idea of how to use them or where to use them. But in Vallejo fashion, this is what they look like. They all have the number coded, so there can be variances depending on what kit you get. But these washes are really, really nice. They're pre-made. Yes, you can make your own wash. But what I like about these is that they're cost effective, and the color pigment is always consistent. So if you're making your own wash, the pigment won't be consistent. I am not a guru. I have not been doing this for very long, so these make life much easier for me. And I don't use a lot of washes anyways, so these have lasted me a long time, and they should last you as well. But if you're looking to up your blending game, you're trying to get that non-metallic metal, make the skin look smooth, just silky smooth, these are what you're gonna need. Get you these washes, you'll be happy.